I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the EasyTrip app or web portal and signing in. This immediately gives you access to account balance and tag history. Once logged in, tap Accounts or Tags to reveal linked RFID details so you know which tag you're checking. Make sure your connection is stable. If you use multiple tags, pick the correct tag ID now to avoid checking the wrong balance. This step saves time and prevents mistakes when you proceed to live balance queries. Once you're on the tag details screen, look at the displayed available balance and the timestamp of the last update so you understand currency and recency. You should also scan recent transactions to reconcile any unexpected charges. This explains how your balance reached its current level. If the balance looks outdated, use the app's refresh control or log out and back in to force a server sync. Make sure the tag ID shown matches your sticker so you verify the right account. Finally, if your balance is low, tap Top Up and choose your payment method. After payment completes, confirm the updated balance and keep the receipt screenshot for records. If the balance still doesn't update, check transaction history and compare timestamps. Discrepancies often come from delayed processing. If you still see wrong amounts, take screenshots, note your tag number, and contact EasyTrip support. This gives them the evidence they need. One tip: mode switch between apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.